This segment is sponsored by Eastern's Automotive Group. Our frontline workers, they have been going nonstop during this pandemic. That's why this next story is so incredible, because for as exhausted these two full-time nurses must be, they are spending their days off raising money and giving back. So it was very exciting to get to surprise them with some news that someone else wants to help them.
We thought, how can we support healthcare providers on the front line? And we thought, what better way than love through food and care packages?
Full-time nurses Natalie Crawford and Lauren Bickle don't have to imagine what it's like to be on the front line. They are there every shift, every week.
The change in atmosphere takes a toll on your work environment dramatically, especially when someone's life is in your hands. So we just wanted to make everyone feel supported and loved in the best way, just spread some positivity.
Instead of taking time to themselves when they aren't working, these nurses turned outward, giving back through a campaign they started called #WeCare, supporting the DMV frontline. Natalie and Lauren raise money. They bring it to local restaurants for meals and care packages and deliver the food to frontline workers.
We know what it feels like to have restaurants donate meals for our lunches or our dinners, and that is so uplifting.
Have you guys been overwhelmed by the response so far, people helping you out and helping you raise the money?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Overwhelmed the best way.
In the best way.
Yeah.
I mean, it has been incredible. It really took off.
Joel Bassam with Eastern's Automotive Group caught wind of Natalie and Lauren's work.
Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, I can't imagine what their tanks are like and how big they must be, because they got to be running on empty just from their day-to-day operations, but they're giving a little bit more. It really shows their commitment to their community.
So Joel and his family wanted to help out with $2,500.
Well, Eastern's Automotive Group is going to make a big donation.
Holy cow, I have the goosebumps right now.
The nurses had no idea.
We're honored to be the ones to push them over the edge, and I'm excited to see their response.
Oh my
God,
gosh.
my heart's
I have the chills right now. That is
That's
going
amazing.
to. So
That's going to mean so much to everybody.
Yeah, our goal when we started this was $10,000 on
we both-
GoFundMe, and with this check, we will surpass $10,000. That will reach our goal. That's crazy. I can't believe it.
It shows how much it's going to make a difference in their day-to-day lives and how important it is what they're doing.
I think in a way it also makes us feel so much better on our days off that we're spreading so much joy, and like seeing people's faces when we arrive with the gift packages or meals, or even arriving to pick them up at these restaurants. It's brighten their day. So it's made our days better
as well
all around too.
That was so much fun. As of this morning, Natalie and Lauren, they have raised more than $11,000. Big part thanks to Eastern's Automotive Group. For more information on how Eastern's Automotive Group helps the community, head to WUSA9.com/bettercommunity.